The Capital One Platinum Credit Card is a straightforward financial product aimed at individuals looking to build or rebuild their credit history while enjoying the reliability of a well-known issuer. Unlike many premium cards, the Platinum Card does not offer rewards or cashback programs, but focuses instead on accessibility, security, and credit improvement. Cardholders benefit from no annual fee, automatic credit line reviews after consistent on-time payments, and free access to the Capital One CreditWise tool for monitoring scores and alerts. The app integration is also a plus, providing real-time transaction tracking, payment scheduling, and fraud protection alerts. In terms of cons, the card's interest rate is relatively high compared to rewards-based cards, which means carrying a balance can become expensive over time. Additionally, the lack of cashback or travel perks may make it less appealing to users seeking tangible benefits. However, many reviewers highlight its reliability and solid customer support, emphasizing its suitability for those focused primarily on building credit responsibly. Verdict: the Capital One Platinum Credit Card offers a simple yet effective way to strengthen credit without hidden fees or complicated terms, making it a practical choice for users, prioritizing credit growth over rewards. Though the high APR and limited perks should be noted.